In today's vlog, we're making homemade lava lamps.
Give us a big thumbs up if you love our ours channel. Subscribe to our channel.
Okay.
Ours.
Oh no, I get red.
No, everybody.
I get green.
Shh. Put it back up here.
I want red and blue.
Put it back up here.
Can you combine colors? Doubt it.
First thing you have to do is put water in it.
What?
I thought it had water in it.
Then why do we empty out our water bottles? It's like you're contradicting yourself here, Mother.
I am.
I drank half
Oh, would you
mine.
look at that? Oh, that's freaking cool.
Yeah.
Ooh, I almost spilled it.
That'd have been freaking...
Wait, do we really need the yellow
Spicy
one?
now.
Because this is kind of already yellow.
Hey, did you know if this
Kinda
was on
already
top...
mixed.
Actually, this is reverse. This should be on top because this is thicker. No, thicker goes up. Yeah.
Mine's kind of gold.
Did you know if you could cut a hole right here, you could drink that and that'd be purely clean water. It'd have a weird taste to it, but it'd be 100% water. All right, time to put some of this in.
Hold on a minute. I gotta go and get. Hold on. I gotta get more water.
For me.
Clickbait.
Eli. I green. Red turns into pink.
Jacob drinks. Oh, that's so nasty. That is on my finger.
You were just about to put that in your mouth.
Why is that either not?
Okay. Everybody's got about the same. What we're gonna do now is
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25,
that's enough, Jacob.
Oh, sorry.
I don't think yellow's gonna work.
It's gonna work, okay?
Ty, are you having fun there?
It's not really yellow.
Table?
It's like red. It's like blood red.
Red.
Give me red.
Red's gonna turn.
Wait,
Alright,
no.
now do we just shake it up,
The
right?
yellow already makes red.
We just shake it up, right? You're all mixing.
Yeah.
Shake it
Put
up.
your lid.
Is that what you said?
Well, it'll mix anyway because it's made of water.
Ready?
So
How do I?
go ahead.
Mine's not working.
Did you put enough in?
Stomp at me one more time. I'll wrestle you.
All right.
No, you wouldn't.
Actually,
Who did that?
Caleb.
No, that was Jacob.
No, Caleb.
He wouldn't have said who did that if he knew if he.
you have to
Had
break
done
it and put it in your bottle.
Is it gonna explode?
No. Like
Break
this.
it once. Just break it once.
Like this.
Yep. Put it in there.
One,
This one.
2,
I'm ready.
3,
Why would it?
4,
They actually think.
Oh!
5.
When it hits the water.
Check it out. Put this in.
Whoa!
Get out of here.
Whoa! No!
Wait, you break it how many times?
Put the lid on.
Just as many as you want.
I'm gonna do it.
Here, give me it. I'm just gonna see if it works. That's all I want.
Whoa, mommy!
Those are
Eli, move your head.
Eli, move your head. So you can show
Ta-da!
your friends that.
Guys, you love it? It's so beautiful!
I don't know if mine's gonna
Look
work.
at mine! Do they stay like
It's
this?
gonna explode.
Is it seriously?
Yeah.
I'm putting it on. I'm putting the cap on to see if it'll explode.
It's
guys.
gonna explode.
Yeah! Let's watch them explode!
You're cleaning the mess.
Oh god, it's literally going to.
Oh!
Everyone back up! Oh my! Just let
No.
it explode,
No.
please. Can we take him outside?
Yes, take it outside.
Yes.
Yes.
Wait, those are not screwed on. Walk slowly.
Here, give me another one. Give me another one, because I'm not sure if I
Walk
can make it a
slowly.
massive explosion.
Me too.
All right. New experiment. Come on, guys. Let's go.
Here, give me. Why? Because if it explodes, it's gonna explode our house.
Yes. All right, Eli.
Here, I want mine.
Here's yours.
It's mine.
I want to win for
Camera lady don't got shoes on.
Huh?
Oh my goodness, it is so cold.
Oh, it's cold. It's cold. It's cold.
Oh, come here. Come here.
I
First
can't
one.
get my shirt.
Here we go.
No, you're gonna miss it. Come here. Just close the
Mom,
door.
I can't.
It's okay. Tyson's out here.
We gotta put the lid on.
Put the lid on it.
I'm back away. No, call me.
Back up. Back up.
Colten, get yours.
Mine's about to explode.
Oh no!
Move, Colten! It's going to explode. Are you guys ready for it? Caleb's going to be the first one to go off. It's going to be like nuclear bombs.
Oh, yeah. My second.
It's gonna go over to Jacob.
It stopped.
I don't think they do explode.
They may not. May have to put more than one in at once.
Yeah.
Do it.
All right, let me go get the box.
Go on mine since mine's crap though.
Oh no! What do I do on mine?
Go pick it up.
Pick it up, put it in there.
What? What's happening?
Better hurry.
You can bring it.
It's leaking out.
Whoa! Whoa!
Whose was that? Was that
Mine?
Yeah.
It's because you stick.
Put them in there.
Watch out,
hurry.
watch out.
Hurry.
Mine's just blowing because of
You gotta do it quick. Gotta put the lid on, Colton.
I don't blame him.
Hurry.
Oh, that was Jacob's. Look.
Oh,
Did yours
jeez.
just do that?
Yeah.
You gotta
There's
put
my
it on
hands.
there.
Here goes
Oh,
mine.
There's
Oh,
hard
it's
as
like
rocks.
this bottle is.
Oh my God, get it out of my face.
Hey! Get this on camera! Get this on camera!
Mine's getting out! Mine's getting out!
Oh my
No!
goodness!
No!
Oh
It's
my
okay, here.
goodness!
You've got to get it down. You've got to
Look at this
You have to
explosion!
crack it. Drink it.
Oh!
Wow.
Oh!
Watch out!
It
Watch
broke
out!
around the
Mine
tip.
is going to explode! Have to get ready.
Get whacked. Get back.
I'm left.
Okay, get back.
Mine was small because of Colten's. Here's my lid. Now you have to open it.
No, I don't think it's going
I ain't opening that.
Throw it on the ground.
Forget that.
No.
Oh.
Look at the bottom of it. It's like caked in it.
Look, guys. All right, Colton, come out here with me.
No.
He ain't got no shoes on. No.
Oh, I got my lid.
Ready, guys?
Sorry. Look. You almost hit the house.
It's like a rocket.
Here, get your water bottle.
Hey!
Yeah.
Turn it on. And here's their prizes. One for you.
Ooh, got me a black charger.
Oh,
Anything
yeah.
else? Oh, I hear candy. You can't do that. That face says you have
Oh,
no
we
candy.
cannot have any candy.
Him.
It was for me.
I don't care.
I called it.
I don't care. He didn't want to do the first video. I had to. I even had to.
I wasn't here for the first video. I was on the bus.
You could have joined in and you said no. I have to go through.
You mean that was the second one, and that's not my fault.
I feel like I should get the milk
This is my
duds.
life, kids and adults. I know you guys all have
Hey, Mom.
this.
Hey, Mom.
take
I know I do.
Hey, Mom. Hey, Mom.
Ow!
Hey, this is how you steal candy from your mom.
What? That's it.
I'm done.
Yeah.
All right.
We'll just keep yours.
Don't
for a
forget to
while, though.
subscribe for crazy videos like this one. See you guys.